going on. Hear that noise? I'm over here at the hogbacks. And dude, on the way over here, no joke, dude, there was a coyote. And he got spooked by the lights. And because I was driving slow, because there's like so many deers that run out around here, that he kept running like from the light, and he wouldn't, like, he just kept running away in the same direction for like, I swear it was like it was at least 200 or 300 feet. And then right when I pulled my phone out, and I had it, it was like, because I had to do this, I was going down the road, and there's deer out here, and I was trying to get him, and right as I got the phone up and my thumb to the screen, he darted off to the right up a driveway. And I mean, it's not far from here, so that's kind of creepy, because I'm kind of in a semi-remote spot right now. Yeah, there's a lot of creatures out there making noises. Yeah, it was kind of like a little gray dog. Its hair wasn't shaggy, but it had spots on it that were kind of shaggy, and then there's other spots that weren't. Yeah, it's kind of spooky. But I thought it was pretty awesome. I guess that makes it all worth it, all worthwhile. Wile E. Coyote on the run. Oh yeah, there's a lot of communication going on. This is kind of too spooky for me, so I'm out of here.